I love you, Choo Choo. I love you, baby. You getting your lovies. Yeah, I know. Daddy woke you up, didn't he, Bubba? Oh, look at that handsome boy. Him is a handsome, sophisticated, domesticated, relaxated, ready baby. That is Chewbacca, right? The prettiest baby. The good boy. The goodest of good boys. Yes, him so pretty.
He likes Mama's nails. They feel good.
Hi, Bubba. Look at those curly whiskies. Look at your little whiskers. They're so pretty. Hi, Choo Choo. Oh, baby. Yeah, he done cleaned my whole arm.
That's where he starts licking every time I scratch right there.
Oh, yeah, he's doing a little foot move. Now he's getting a little nibble in. See, people think rats are gross and mean. This is really what it's like under the rat right here.
Yep.
It's a little lovey cuddly bug.
As long as you get it domesticated.
The males are a little calmer than females too.
Yeah, females are a little high strung.
Yeah, females are all energy. Males, once they get about a year old, just good times and chilling with your boys.
Basically like a pet dog, honestly, just a lot smaller.
Quieter too.
A lot.